So I'm just going to decide where his eyes go. He's just going to have little eyes up here. And I'm just going to go through a stitch here. Now you could use different colour. I'm going to use black, but you could give him blue eyes or brown eyes or even green eyes. There's not many green eyes around these days, are there? This is just the way I do it. And then I'll just go back down and where's his other eye? Over here. His eyes are going to be close together. And if I don't like where his eyes are, I can easily pull it out and try again. That looks about right. Not too close, not too far apart. That'll do. So then I just cut off a little bit, and I'm just going to go through and come out anywhere, thread up the needle, and then I'll pull it through, and you pull it fairly tight, snip it real close, and then when you fluff it up again, it's gone on the side. So we'll do that with this side. Just bring it out anywhere, thread my needle, pull it through. Oh, they are a bit close together. It looks like a little scarecrow. And then just pull it tight, just gently. Snip it off close. And look, it just popped back inside. That's how you get rid of your ends. So how about a little mouth? I'll do a little red mouth, the same as the little girl. Through down here. Oh, all came out. I just do a little suggestion of a mouth. I probably should. I think with the girl I picked up 2 stitches. It's not perfect, but it makes it look a bit more of a smile. Don't like that one. Don't like that one, so we'll pull it out. Go down. Try and pick up an extra bit of stitch. Makes it crooked. So maybe when you're putting your eyes in, might make him have a big smile. I'll pick up all that. You can have a bigger smile. See what that looks like. It's just personal preference. Just do the best you can. Some people do eyebrows, especially when you're doing a bear or a dog or a cat. You're going to have the nose and a little bit going down to the mouth from the nose. Some people just use a bit of cotton, just a bit of thread, so it's not quite so thick. But I've never done faces before. Yeah, he's got a bit bigger mouth. Don't want it to be too squished in. That will do. He's a happy boy, he's a happy farmer. So it's been great learning this little trick about how you pull it right through. There you go, how's his little face looking? I'll snip these ends off. They disappear. I'm not really watching if my hands are out the way. I hope you can see. Hope you can see my little attempts. There you go. There's my little farmer boy. He needs a bucket. I need to make him a bucket that he's carrying. Or a garden hoe. But I'm going to have a go at working on the hat, I think. And I'll just take Holly outside too, to the bathroom, and get rid of all these ends on the back. All right, so I hope you've enjoyed that tutorial. It's been fun. But I would really like to make a Paddington bear with a big floppy hat, a long coat, big buttons, and a suitcase. Do you reckon we could do that together? That'd be fun. I hope you've enjoyed this series of tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.